Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best log splitters that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're prepping firewood for your fireplace or camping needs, we've got you covered. You can check out the product link descriptions below, so let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Greener XL Firewood Kindling Splitter. Priced at just $29.99, this budget-friendly option is perfect for those who want a safe and effective way to split firewood without breaking the bank. Built from one-piece cast steel, this log splitter is designed to withstand heavy-duty use, making it a reliable tool for both outdoor enthusiasts and fireplace owners. Its compact design also makes it convenient for transport and storage, while the included cover adds an extra layer of protection. In terms of performance, the Greener XL excels at turning logs into kindling with minimal effort. Its thick steel construction ensures durability, while the portable design allows you to easily move it between sites. However, it's worth noting that this splitter is manual, meaning it's not suitable for splitting larger logs or handling high-volume tasks. The Greener XL is ideal for light to medium-duty use, such as preparing firewood for camping trips or small fireplaces. Pros include its affordable price, sturdy build, and portability. On the downside, it's limited by its manual design and smaller capacity compared to more advanced splitters. Overall, this is a great entry-level option for occasional use. Coming in at rank number 4 is the Estwing Sure Split Wedge, the most budget-friendly option on our list at just $23.79. Simple yet effective, this forged steel splitting wedge is designed for users who prefer traditional wood splitting methods. With its hefty 5-pound weight and sharp 1 7/8-inch cutting edge, this tool makes splitting firewood a breeze. Its durable alloy steel construction ensures longevity, even with frequent use, and the compact design makes it easy to store and transport. While it isn't as fancy as electric or hydraulic log splitters, the Estwing Sure Split Wedge delivers reliable performance for splitting smaller logs and kindling. Users appreciate its straightforward design, which requires no maintenance or special setup. Just grab a hammer or maul and get to work. However, it's not ideal for handling larger logs or high-volume tasks, as it relies entirely on manual force. This wedge is perfect for occasional wood splitting, especially for camping trips or backyard fire pits. The pros include its affordability, durable build, and simplicity. On the downside, it lacks the convenience of powered splitters and may require significant effort for tougher logs. Still, for those on a tight budget, this tool is a dependable choice. At rank number 3, we have the Kindling Cracker XL, which takes manual log splitting to the next level. This premium splitter is made of high-quality cast iron and is virtually maintenance-free. The standout feature here is its 9-inch inside diameter top ring, which accommodates larger logs compared to the original Kindling Cracker. Additionally, its 17-inch height allows users to split longer logs, making it a versatile tool for heavy-duty tasks. What sets the Kindling Cracker XL apart is its safety-focused design. Unlike traditional axes or wedges, this splitter uses a stationary blade, so there's no risk of injury from moving parts. Performance-wise, it requires less force to split logs, making it easy to use even for beginners. However, it's still a manual tool, so it's not suitable for splitting logs on an industrial scale. The Kindling Cracker XL is ideal for users who want a safe, durable, and efficient manual splitter for medium to large logs. Pros include its sturdy cast iron construction, larger capacity, and safety features. On the downside, it's a bit heavy at 22 pounds and requires manual effort. If you're looking for a high-quality manual splitter for frequent use, this is a fantastic option. At rank number 2, we have the original Kindling Cracker Firewood Splitter, a smaller but equally impressive version of the XL model. Made in Australia from high-quality cast iron, this compact splitter is designed for ease of use and safety. The 6.5-inch inside diameter top ring is perfect for handling standard-sized logs, while the straightforward design eliminates the need for sharp blades or moving parts, making it one of the safest manual splitters available. Performance-wise, The kindling cracker makes splitting firewood quick and easy, requiring less force than a traditional axe or wedge. Its 10-pound weight and compact size also make it highly portable, so it's great for camping trips or small-scale firewood preparation. However, like the XL model, it's limited to manual operation and may not be suitable for splitting larger logs or high-volume tasks. The kindling cracker is perfect for users who want a reliable, low-maintenance splitter for light to medium-duty use. Pros include its durable cast iron construction, safety-first design, and portability. On the downside, its smaller size limits its capacity, and it's not suitable for heavy-duty tasks. Overall, this is a fantastic choice for beginners or those who prioritize safety. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the Wen Electric Log Splitter, the premium option on our list at $337.83. If you're looking to save time and effort, this 6.5-ton electric log splitter is the ultimate choice. Powered by a 15-amp motor, it generates over 13,000 pounds of log cracking pressure, allowing you to split logs up to 10 inches in diameter and 20.5 inches in length with ease. The included 34-inch stand provides ergonomic comfort, while the pole handle and 5.5-inch wheels make transportation a breeze. In terms of performance, the Wen Electric Log Splitter is unmatched. Its electric power eliminates the need for gasoline or manual effort, making it eco-friendly and low-maintenance. Users appreciate its reliability for handling large logs and high-volume tasks, which makes it perfect for homeowners with fireplaces or wood-burning stoves. However, its 118-pound weight may make it less portable than smaller manual splitters. The Wen Electric Log Splitter is ideal for users who need a powerful, efficient, and convenient solution for processing firewood. Pros include its high capacity, electric operation, and ease of use. On the downside, it's relatively expensive and heavy. If you're serious about log splitting, this is the tool to invest in. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best log splitter for your needs. If you liked this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about the products, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy log splitting, and see you in the next video.